Hello, this is stage 8 of the Milano San Remo bike tour with bike dreams, and it's from Briancon in France to Sampeyre in Italy. It crosses the border at the second climb of the day, which is the Col Agnel. The distance is 92 kilometres with 2,700 metres of elevation gain. The two climbs are quite beautiful. They are the Col Agnel, which is featured quite often in the Tour de France, and the Col Agnel, which is also occasionally in the Tour de France, but most often in the Giro d'Italia. After reaching the top of the Col Agnel and descending into the valley before the second climb, I had a mechanical with my rear wheel. The pawl spring that holds the pawls in on the freehub on the back axle had broken, which meant that there was no freewheel. I couldn't freewheel down the mountain, so I had to pedal like crazy to keep up with the chainring. And I arrived at the lunch stop expecting to have to abandon the tour because it was highly unlikely that our mechanic Leo would have a spring or a freehub to fit my bike. So after arriving at the lunch stop and explaining the situation to Leo, he was surprisingly able to provide a spring from another freehub that he had in the van, and it fitted the freehub on my bike, so I was able to continue the ride. So I was very appreciative of Leo's assistance on that day. So the second climb up the Col Agnel is noteworthy, as it was the site or the location on the descent of the crash by the Dutch cyclist Steven Kruijswijk in the 2016 Giro d'Italia, and he crashed on a snowbank on the descent of the Col Agnel and lost 5 minutes in the general classification as a result. And as this was the penultimate stage of that edition of the Giro d'Italia, he lost the lead, the overall lead, and the tour was eventually won by Vincenzo Nibali. So I hope you enjoy this stage. Okay, bye bye. Go.
Bonjour. Allez, allez. Allez, allez. I left early. Nice temperature. We'll see you later. See you tonight. Okay. Is there water here, Rob?
No, it's in the top.
Okay. I'll go up and get some water. Where are you going, Rob?
Your hut working again?
Yes, it is. Yeah. Leo's a magician.
That's somebody in the left.